Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Chevy Impala. Stock number is 18F449A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes your CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Impala on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.